Welcome to my channel, Coffee Table Design Idea. Elevate your live space with style and functionally. The coffee table is an, an a section price of feature that not only serve us a functionally softly and hello your morning cup of job, but also adding style and personally to your living space with a wide range of designing and masterly available. Finding the profile coffee table of personally marks your info can be a can be any expert and cover minimal stick marvel if you are a fine of clear line and simplicity. Other of a minimalistic coffee table design look of sleep gourmet style shape and mostly like glass or mixed then table not only provide future surface but also add any air of supply to your living room. Rustic charm for a cozy and invited atmosphere. Consider a coffee table with a rustic charm, natural movement such a quaint world destroy finisher can give your space a wide and light and follow. Look your table with immense story, other like resume and shape to keep your living room quiet and original. Function versatile functionality. If you have a simple living room or frequently hot glass, consider a coffee table with vacant functionality. Look for design this office adding future like left, top, soft and extra tall table that can be easy inject to decision need then table are perfect and work in or simple creating extra space when required. A collective mix for those who love a bit for everything and Instead, coffee table design is the way to go. Max and match, define, style, matching, and shape to create an empire and personally look. For example, you can combine a glass top and a wood basic or for to modern design with define a thematic for any eye sketch concept. Artistic impression consider range turn your coffee table into a prize of art. Look for design and future.